wanted to make this quick video before I went to sleep. In my desk, that's where I game. Okay, but this is my fan. It's in the background of all my videos. And it makes a really interesting sound when you start it up. So I'm gonna put my microphone right here on my bed, and I'm gonna go start the fan. And you gotta listen to this, man. It's actually crazy. It makes up. It does stuff. It's just okay. Watch what happens when I turn it off. I'm not entirely sure what makes the sound, but pretty sure it's the fan blades over here hitting the metal cover that makes this really futuristic Star Warsy sound. I just thought that was cool.